Hi, my name is Dallas. I am the founder and owner of NicheFit and Grandeur Media. I am reviewing WriterZen today, and I'm going to give WriterZen 5 stars. Before using WriterZen, I use tools like Ahrefs. I also use SpyFu. I also use SimilarWeb. My experience with those, some of them were too pricey, and WriterZen was something that was advantageous for me as an entrepreneur to help me save on time and effort. I chose WriterZen because it has an intuitive, user-friendly interface. It has different functions in it, like the topical keywords that you can put together, a keyword explorer that lets me look in on my competitors, and also gives me ideas on different contents to write. It's a tool for those entrepreneurs, content creators who are looking for content strategy. So it makes that process very seamless with an abundance of time and effort saved. To get started with WriterZen, I would say there is a steep learning curve, even though the interface is intuitive. However, to compensate for that, they do have a plethora of lots of tutorials to help you get started and to help you get a better understanding of how to utilize the platform. I think this is a great tool to get started, especially if you're not familiar with the skill set of SEO optimization, as it's got different things to where the titles or what have you are content friendly. It gives you the meta descriptions or whatever. However, if you're more advanced in SEO and you're looking to do those advanced technique, this may not be the tool for you. So who I would say this tool is good for, it's going to be content creators, entrepreneurs, students, professionals, and I think that's it. Authors. Authors are a good one.